Hello guys, here is something I want to show you. My little friend here has started to explore the apartment. She flies around kind of high in the apartment and hasn't really learned to descend well yet, but she dares to fly around, but she always seems to land up here on this shelf here. So because we have trained her to step up, eventually she wants to go back to her cage. Now she sees something outside the window here. But eventually she wants to step up and want me to guide her back to the cage. So we'll try here. Come here. Well, there you go. And slowly back to the cage. There you go. Good bird. And that is very good because then I can gently put her back into her cage. So progress. Yeah, good bird. Okay. Bye for now.